friends, this is the first video and today we are going to learn this photo which you can see on the screen right now. This is something that you all will not be familiar with. Yes, this you can only you can just change the lighting of the subject, only the subject, really. So you can make a photo like this, really. I'll show you. I'll just delete these two layers. So this is the before photo, which is a very bright one. Okay, so first of all, to start it, just click on the new adjustment layer here. And by the way, if you want to download this photo, please check the links in the description box. You can find the link for this photo in the description. So you have to click in this adjustment layer icon, then you click on curves. So it will create a curves adjustment layer. So after that, what you need to do, create a point somewhere over here, then bring this down. Yeah, that looks fine.